Man, I love recording videos twice, but that's besides the point. Basically, I just wanted to announce that I am going to be picking the winner, but that's not actually the right phrasing for that, because I'm not picking the winner, because that's not how a giveaway works, or else it'd be super biased, and I would pick someone that lives down the street, because I don't want to fly super far. Just kidding, I do, and I love everyone here. Thank you so much for coming by. But here's how it's going to work. I have given the list of people entered, the entire list. Anyone that has commented on the past 5 million videos is entered. In this giveaway, there were ways to get multiple entries, and that I have also added to a person who I know, who knows nobody on the list of people that's entered. I know a lot of the people, that's why I'm not going to do the giveaway personally, and he's going to put it into a generator with the giveaway amounts, one of the giveaway bots, and it's going to pick somebody. And that's it. That's all that's going to happen, is someone's going to get picked. So all these people asking, please give it to me. I'm going to beg so hard for everything. Give me the computer. I'm not picking. So it's completely random, which is how a giveaway should be. But another thing is that, so this is the 7700K system, which is what a lot of people want. It's more of a gaming-focused system. RX 580. And or 1660 Ti. I've still got to figure that out. I'm picking up a graphics card this weekend at Micro Center, so expect a video from that. But yeah, so that's the 7700K system for 500 subscribers, and I'll be picking the winner, messaging the person, making a video about who won. But don't forget, we still have a 2700X system that we have not built yet, so that will be a nice video building that. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to give away the 2700X at 1,000 subscribers. Will I make it to 1,000 subscribers? Who knows? Who cares, right? But at 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away a 2700 1660 Ti or RX 580 system. RX 580 and 1660 Ti, honestly, basically the same card. A little bit different performance, a lot different price though. So yeah, that will be happening at 1,000 subs if we make it there. If we don't, well then we don't give away a computer. But I would like to, because I don't need another computer. Although, despite the fact, side note, I destroyed the RGBs inside the pump, the $170 AIO pump inside of my current Threadripper computer. I destroyed the RGBs by plugging it into the wrong header and sending 5 volts into the wrong part of the system. So that's a problem, but that's fine. I just have to buy a new one for $170. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's completely random. So yes, you can continue to tell your stories in the comments, but I'm just trying to tell you, I'm not picking, so begging to me will not help. Figure out who my friend is and beg to him, but that's not going to work because I've made sure it's completely biased. So one of my employees will be doing that. So that'll be fun. That's about it, mates. So I just want to say, if we make it to 1,000 subscribers, we'll be giving away a 2700X, 8-core system, pretty nice, pretty hefty. Can game, stream, record, edit, watch some videos in high definition. So I hope you guys stick around. Thank you to everyone. I love everyone that has subscribed recently, even though some of you just are just coming to try to get a free computer, but that's fine. I love you too. So I hope good luck to everyone in this giveaway. Like I said, it's completely random, and we'll be making a video of me giving the person who wins after announcing the winner the computer and setting it up and everything. So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.